How to blend two photos in Picsart. Want to create a seamless combination of two images? Here's how to blend photos in Picsart. Start by opening your base image. Then click Add Photo and select a second image you'd like to blend. Position and resize the second image as needed. Next, go to the opacity slider and adjust it to make both images visible. You can also experiment with the blend modes like multiply, overlay, or screen for creative effects. Once you are happy with the result, hit apply to save your blended masterpiece. Do you blend landscapes or portraits more often? Let us know in the comments below. Using similar lighting and tones in both photos makes blending look more natural and professional. And that's how you can blend two photos in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.